Hey there YouTube, this is sjm4306 back with another video, and this time it's another mailbox, mailbag, mail. This was sent in by a viewer. His channel is Agent Antz, and don't want to give away his identity or anything, but he had hit me up, sent me an email asking what my mailing address is. I don't have a P.O. box, unfortunately, but yeah, he said that he had some things that I would be interested in taking a look at on my channel. So let's just open this up. And yeah, this is a massive package. It says here that it was like 19 bucks to send. Holy crap. Thank you so much though, man. So we're just gonna get into it. Oh wow. Oh wow. I already know what one of them is. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, well, we're gonna get to some of the more interesting stuff in a sec, but we're just gonna carefully go through some of the smaller bits. Wow, I'm shell shocked. That is awesome. Okay, let's see. In this first bag, this is pretty heavy. So let's see. One of these needs repairs. The other's okay, but it's beyond my skill set. Okay, well, let's see. These look like cassette recorders. And they are. Oh, dude, that's awesome. So, this is a VVA. This is a cassette recorder, yeah. So it's a GE branded one. And oh, I love these like silver chrome buttons. This old school design is just awesome. Wow, and we have a mic on top here, a tape counter. How does this open? Let's see. There must be an eject. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, the mechanism looks okay so far from the outside. The buttons. So it's probably just a belt or something, yeah. So, yeah, no battery corrosion. So these are all in very good physical condition. So we're going to have to open these guys up later and figure out which one needs a repair. And here we have a unit that has a built-in, looks like an equalizer, a 3-band equalizer, FM, AM, FM radio. That's pretty cool. And this guy still has a cassette in it. Sweet. A 90-minute Sony cassette. So sweet. The door is a little bit floppy on this, so maybe the spring is gone or something like that. So probably needs repairing anyway, so we'll take a look at these two guys. So awesome. Thank you so much. I love collecting cassette recorders and players. So stick that to the side. And we'll go to the next box. So pick this up. It's a relic, it sure is, at Goodwill for $1. Holy, that is absolutely insane. So, and with the original box too. So this is, I'm guessing it's an iPod. So, error message on boot up. Maybe I can figure it out. So yeah, this is a iPod Classic. And it looks to be a 30 gig model. There's a engraving on the back with someone's name. I'm not going to give away their identity. But yeah, this should be interesting. I have an old collection of all different models of iPod, and I have a lot of experience in opening these guys up and modding them and whatnot. So yeah, we'll take a look at this. If it has an error message, just off the bat, there's nothing wrong with the dock connector or anything. It's probably the hard drive needs replacing, but that should be easy enough to fix. So awesome, thank you so much. And we have a multi-tool, it looks like. Oh, yeah, these are one of these like Leatherman-like multi-tools, and these are dead useful. I was actually, ironically enough, meaning to get one of these for my job. So I do a lot of like prototyping and making things and whatnot, and I was thinking about getting one to just stick on my belt loop so I can always have it on me. So this is absolutely perfect. Then I can just stick this guy on my belt and keep it with me at all times. So having these multi-tools is super duper useful. So definitely thank you so much, man. Looks like a really nice one too. And I'm gonna save what I see here that is most interesting for last. But here we have a Jeopardy game, and my dad has one of these for Wheel of Fortune, and I remember playing this as a kid. So he's saying just play it, it's fun. Yeah, definitely. I love these old 90s games, and it has the booklet. Wow. We're just gonna set this aside. Wow, how many people who bought these back in the day keep like all the original booklets and stuff? That's awesome, man. Yeah, I love these little LCD games. Funnily enough, these are, wow, it turned on. I have no idea how to play this. I'll figure this out in a sec. Anyway, oh yeah, it says player 1 there. Anyway, yeah, I love playing these games. They're great bathroom games, if you guys know what I mean. But anyway, yeah, this is really cool. Has these removable cartridges that you could, back in the day, you can buy different questions and whatnot sets. So yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Awesome. And free set of batteries too. Cool. Definitely have some fun with this. We're going to have to do a teardown on this guy and see what exactly is inside. Okay, and we have this guy here. Oh, wow, this is a... Elliot just did over at the Retro Future. My buddy Elliot did a video on one of these guys. So, that's really cool. So, he ordered 3 of these. Agent Antz ordered 3 of these cases. I'm guessing he saw the same video I did on the Retro Futures channel. And they suck ass. I figured I'd save a couple dollars and send you one. Search continues. Yeah, that's the one thing about these cases is they're not anywhere near, honestly, if I'm being honest, they're not anywhere near the original quality of like a legitimate OEM case. It's okay if your original is damaged, you know, beyond saving, then you might as well, you know, replace it. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool. I was actually thinking of putting a Raspberry Pi, one of these Zeros in here, and making a portable Raspberry Pi. So it's cool. I didn't want to sacrifice an OEM shell, so that's really cool that now I can do this. I won't feel bad about cutting this up or doing whatever I need to do for that. So that's awesome, man. And before I get to the big bit, I'm putting it off. So we have this. So what do we have here? So this looks like a lanyard of some sort. Yeah, looks like a carry case lanyard. And this guy's pretty heavy. Just carefully slice in. Oh, we have a remote. I'm gonna guess some sort of camcorder or camera. Oh, yeah, mini DV. Oh, wow. I haven't seen one of these in years. Yeah, these are these little mini DV tapes from back in the day. There you go. Basically a video recorder. And all the accessories here are sweet, so I can actually power this up and give this a play around. So, this is the actual, oops, camera lens. This is the actual player itself. Wow, that's actually pretty small. How does this open? There we go. Yeah, this looks in great condition. This probably still works just fine. And it has an SD card slot, as I keep bumping the camera. And it has a SD card slot, it says. So yeah, that'll be really cool. There you go. With the SD card already included. So yeah, that'll be really cool to play around with. I do have some old video camera equipment, but like VHS era and whatnot. Never had a mini DV. I believe my parents do, but I've never used it. So yeah, that'll be really cool to play around with. Let's see if it'll turn on. I know these batteries, they don't last forever. How do you turn this on? Yeah, probably gonna need a good charge. But anyway, yeah, really cool. That is awesome, man. And what caught my eye... Oh! Maybe not quite yet. Yeah, wow. the actual original manuals. Yeah, great job, Agent Antz, for saving every single manual. I know I have most of the manuals of electronics I buy, I keep, but they're all mixed up somewhere in my attic or in a box somewhere. But the really coolest thing, as soon as I opened this, I saw, I've always wanted one of these. Oh my goodness, but they go for quite a bit online, even in broken condition. So I am super psyched. As soon as I saw this, I opened the box, and this was immediately what caught my eye. And this is absolutely sick that that he sent one in. So he says, "Your channel inspires me to take stuff apart. Most times I break stuff up worse than it was. Keep it up, Agent Antz." So awesome, man. Thank you so much. Let's see, there's another note. Build a time machine or something with this. Thank you, man. That's awesome. So we're going to have to do a repair on this, I'm guessing. So this is what I'm psyched about. This will be an awesome video, and with the original manual. That is sick. So yeah, this was a like a tabletop arcade machine that was released by Coleco, which, as you all know, was originally a leather company from Connecticut. Interestingly enough, which branched out into making toys, and then they went into electronics, releasing, you know, video game consoles and whatnot. So yeah, this has you know, all the information that you'd want to know about this console. Let's just give it a quick look over. So we got the battery door here, which a lot of them that I see are missing the battery doors. So yeah, it comes with batteries. Sweet. So it's probably just a matter of yeah, I'm gonna have to pop this guy open and see exactly what's up. I don't think there's a power switch other than this guy here. Oh. Wow. So it actually turns on. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this. I have no idea how to play this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to play this. Wow, you could see that. Are you done? I think... Okay. Just so I can speak, because I don't know if there's a mute button on this. Yeah, it has a VFD display, and so it's you know, self-lighting, and it's very sharp. So one thing that I think, just from playing with this for 2 seconds, I either don't know how to use the controls, or maybe the controls need to be cleaned up. So some of the buttons, I was pressing it and it wasn't doing what I expected it to do. That could be me, but yeah, we're definitely going to tear this guy open and see exactly what is what with that. But yeah, I'm surprised for something as old as this. Let's see, does this have a date code? 1981 it looks like, unless if that's the original copyright date for Coleco or something like that. But yeah, this was likely released in the 80s sometime. But yeah, for that age, I mean, look at the condition of the decals and whatnot. It's in pretty good condition, I would say. There is a little bit of, it looks like water damage on this label here, just a tiny bit. It's definitely not horrible. But given its age, this guy is older than I am, and it's in better condition than I am. But I really like these, the feeling of these little joysticks too. There's a what feels like a spring, so it returns to the center after you push it. But yeah, definitely, we're gonna have to do separate videos on everything. So just to give you guys a quick overview, so we got a DV camcorder, a Coleco tabletop arcade, we have a multi-tool, we have 2 cassette players / recorders, we have a Game Boy Pocket DMG reshell, a Chinese reshell, we have a broken iPod, and we have a Jeopardy handheld game. So wow, that's a lot of stuff that my friend Agent Antz sent in. And I just wanted to take a moment that, I mean, when I started this channel, I didn't really think about, you know, making it big or becoming popular or anything like that. It wasn't my intention to. And I'm not saying that I'm big or, you know, super popular now, but just the fact that, you know, my channel has inspired someone else to get into this hobby, to fix stuff, to wonder how things work, that really makes me feel a little fuzzy inside. Not to get all sentimental, but yeah, I just, wow, I'm really touched. Thank you so much, Agent Antz, for sending all this in. I will definitely, this is a ton of content. This is easily, you know, like half a year's worth of content for me to go through all this. So yeah, it's not cheap, definitely. I go to thrift stores once every like 2 or so weeks to see what they have, to see if I can get more material, but it definitely adds up in terms of going out and finding things and buying things to make videos on. So yeah, definitely this will help super immensely in order to continue, you know, future videos and whatnot. So yeah, thank you so much, man. So yeah, Agent Antz, thumbs up. Thank you so much, man. So yeah, anyway, I'll be going through all this in a future video. I just want to make a quick unboxing video for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.